Hey there, young historians. It is time to put your historical thinking skills to use by getting out those historic magnifying glasses and investigating multiple historic documents in order to answer a key historical question. This historical question has to do with the start of a war, murder, and bloodshed. Here we go. You're going to first open up a Google document that is shared with you. It is called 1770 Documents. It'll have your name attached in the title. You are going to work your way through this document while you're looking at a website that I've made with all of those documents. In order to understand this event, you'll be analyzing 4 different sources to help determine what took place at this event. Use the historical thinking skills of sourcing. We've worked on that. Contextualization, yes, and corroboration. We've worked on all those to determine what happened in this event. This right here will link you to the website. It is also linked in Classroom. First, we need to contextualize, put this into context. What was happening in the colonies at the time this event took place, and how did the colonists feel about the soldiers that were there? And you're going to answer that context. So let's go over to the website. The website is also called 1770, Thinking Like a Historian. Up here on the top, we've got the documents that you'll be linking to. Here's first a letter. Dear colonist, that's you. Have you heard the news? It's all over the front page of every local newspaper. Up in Boston, it seems that some soldiers fired upon a crowd of agitated colonists who were gathered outside of the Boston Customs House on King Street. At least, I think that seems to be the case. I'm not sure what happened. Maybe you can help me. There are lots of pamphlets and articles being published with different accounts of what has happened. Read through all of the accounts and look at the various images to determine what happened. You will need to source, corroborate, and contextualize this event. I wish you the best of luck. Cheerio, the pamphlet chap. So the question you will be asking and answering is, what happened on March 5th, 1770 in Boston in King Street? Right here, you already have a little bit of context, and you need to think back to what you already know about 1770 and the beginnings of the Revolutionary War to answer. Up here on the top are the 4 documents you'll be analyzing, and you just click on those tabs up top. Let's go back to the document. You will be filling in your contextualization right here, and then these are your sources, your documents. Document 1, it's listed right there. You're going to be answering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions about you'll be answering 2 questions about document 1. Document 2, you'll be answering 3 questions. Document 3, on this one, it's important that you actually work on sourcing first. It says answer these questions before reading the document. So these 4 questions right here, 6, 7, 8, and 9, you'll be answering before you even look at the document. You can look at the source information of that document. I'll go ahead and show you where that is on document 3. Source information is down here in the bottom, and a little bit would be up here on the tops. Okay, so read that. Now read the document and answer these questions. And same thing on document 4. Answer these questions before reading the document, and then read the document. At the end, what you'll be doing is you'll be answering 2 questions. One is, now that you've studied these 4 sources, what do you believe happened on March 5th, 1770 in Boston on King Street? And then give it a title. You can use one of the titles that I have here. You can go up with a different title if you want. Once you are done with all of that, you are done with the assignment. You can click Turn In. Okay, got those magnifying glasses? Have fun researching these documents. Peace.